Finally, the third and final piece of the puzzle. Welcome back, darlings, to this bikini tutorial, and we are on our way to completing this staple dolly wardrobe piece. So we were able to finish this top here from our two previous videos, right? You may see me close the back of that top with the help of my pin for now, as I will only attach my snaps after everything is done, after all the sewing is done, but you can also sew on your snaps at this stage. Now let's start this session. Let me grab our two bikini bottom fabric pieces, front and back, and pin base the side as well as the bottom seam lines to prepare for sewing. Sew the side as well as the bottom seams. Cut slits along the seam allowance edges of the waistline and pant openings. Use about 5 millimeters distance between slits. Stitch baste your waistline hem for easier final stitching later. Then hem your waistline. Remove the bastings and trim off the extra seam allowance. Stitch baste your pant opening hems in preparation for a final hemming later. Hem the pant openings. Remove the bastings carefully. And of course, trim off extra seam allowance. These curved scissors for sure weren't made for doll clothes making, but they are very, very perfect for trimming off those curved edges. And here's your super easy bikini bottom piece. Now let's do some fitting with Aki, who is our model doll for today. When you're happy with the fit, you're basically done. And thank you so much for finishing this project with me, darlings. I hope you had fun making this set. Please share your thoughts on this video and your experience making this doll garment. I'd love to hear from you because who else are we sharing this passion with, right? So thank you for always supporting my craft and see you at our next dolly session. Bye!